Hello everyone. We are in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with general information about the company. A little further, we will look at each indicator in more detail. If you want, you can put a stop. You can study each parameter of the organization in question more closely. We will compare the current fundamental indicators of the company with you. Gartner Incorporated, ticker, IT. The review is based on current data as of August 12, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets company Gartner Incorporated belongs to the subcategory. Data: 19 companies are involved in the comparison. We will see the order table at the end of the video. The overall score for the company in question is 2 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 1.3 points. If you look very broadly, within the entire market as a whole, we can see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.7 points. Against a score of 2 for the company Gartner Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, Gartner Incorporated and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months, the stocks Gartner Incorporated showed a change of minus 51.6%. Against price changes in the subcategory, 3.2%. Market capitalization of the company Gartner, Inc. valued at $17.11 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $268 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $1.53 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $38 billion. Having compared the stock market and book value shares, we will see the following. Share Gartner, Inc. in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 6.384%. The book value is 3.973%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The organization's debts amount to $2.857 billion. Financial liabilities to book value account for 187% of the company's equity. The result for the company's debt level, bad, minus 1 point. The company's market value to profit ratio is 13.5. The average in the subcategory is 43.6. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $1,265 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $986 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 2.7. The average in the subcategory is 5.7. Evaluation of the company's market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $6,420 million. The projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $5,010 million. Assessment of the expected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The sales margin is 19.7%, with an average of 13% in the subcategory. Sales margin assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 13.26%. which is 108% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $813,000. And in the subcategory $1,689,000. Assessment of the amount of company capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per employee is $60,100, with an average in the subcategory, $38,800. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales volume per individual employee of the organization is $305,000. Subcategory, $298,000. Revenue per employee rating compared to companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The volume of sales transactions corresponds to 4.1%, with an average for the subcategory of 2.2%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a 9% level for the company Gartner Incorporated, while in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 32%. The company's current stock valuation is around $226. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $305. Let's go to the order table. It is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the Stock Evaluation Information and Reference System, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the Securities Assessment Gartner Incorporated Information System of Assessment GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Open a buy trade at $225.98 per share. The order is open because the company has a fairly high valuation and price change. The organization's assessment was made using the assessment criteria, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 259.11. Stop loss is set at 192.85. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the deal will close automatically based on the results of trading on September 11, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, RDDT, is a countervailing sell order. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the basic or the balancing one, the second order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for using the help system from GURU.Markets.